Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics 058013 May-June 2017. Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058013 May-June 2017. Question number 1. Change $400 into euros and conversion rate is given. So dollars to euros mean heavier currency we are looking for. So we will be getting smaller number than 400. So this multiply by 400, 0.935, and we will be multiplying this with the help of calculator. So we can use calculator for this. 400 multiplied by 0.935, this will be equal to 374 euros. 374 euros. Question number 2. A, B, C are points on the circumference. A, B, C. On circumference of the circle, center is O. Write down the mathematical name of line OA. OA is obviously radius. So this is radius. Then the line BC, BC is chord. So we can write as chord. Now the next question number 3. Write 16% as a decimal. So 16% we can write like this, which will be equal to 0.16. We can write 0.16 as answer. Then as a fraction, that will be 16 over 100. So answer will be 16 over 100. Then comes question number 4. Greenland School ends each day at 3:45 p.m. Show this time. So our hand will be a little ahead of 3 like this one, and minute hand will be at 45 over here. So this will be the minute hand. This will be 3:45. Hopefully you got this one. Write 3:45 p.m. using the 24-hour clock. So we'll be adding 12 in 3:45. So this will be 15:45. Then question number 5. Write 5,367 correct to nearest 100. So nearest 100 will be this one. So 67 is more than 50. So 5,400 will be the answer. Then write this correct to 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. We have to remove this 8. 8 is more than 5. So 42.348 will be the answer. Correct to 3 decimal places. Yeah. So 348. This is the answer. Then comes question number 6. Remove the page. Okay, 25 students choose their favorite drink. The results are listed below. So this is the tally chart provided. So we have to check for tea first. So we can write 1 and 2. Basically we'll have to make lines like this one. Every time we are getting tea, we have to make one line over here. Then this T also 4, and this T will be like this one. Then comes then comes coffee. So coffee will be 1, and this one also one more coffee, and this one 3 and 4. That's all 3 coffees. And then comes lemonade. So 1 here, then 2 and 3, and this one as 4 and 5, this one, and 6th will be this lemonade we can write here. Then milkshake will be 1. So 1, then comes 2 and 3 and 4. So milkshake are 4. Then comes hot chocolate, 1 and 2. So we can make 2. Then 3 and 4. Then 5, this one, and 6, this one. Then one more, and that's all. So this will be 5, this one is 3, this one is 6, this one is 4, and this one will be 7. So this is how we can complete this tally chart. Question number 7, write down the next term in this sequence. So if we check, this is there's a difference of 2 minus 2, right? And this will be minus 4, then this will be minus 6, this will be minus 8, then next will be minus 10. So this one will be minus 6 will be the next number, because this will be minus 10 plus 6. So minus 10 plus 4, this will be equal to minus 6. So this number will be minus 6. The nth term of another sequence is 3n plus 5. Write down the first 3 terms in the sequence. So we can replace n by 1. So we will get 3 into 1 plus 5 when n is equal to 1. So this will be 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. So this will be 8. Then next, when n is equal to 2, we can write 3 into 2 plus 5, and this will be 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. So this will be 11. And when n is equal to 3, we can write it as 3 into 3 plus 5, which is 9 plus 5, which is equal to 14. So we can write here 14. Directly also you can write the answer, because it's only 1 mark question, but I have explained the processing so that you can understand the process. Question number 8, find the value of this 17 raised to power 3. We can use calculator, only 1 mark question. So raised to power 3 will be equal to 4913. 4913 will be our answer. Then cube root of 7 to 9, this will be equal to 9. So B part is also done. Question number 9 is factorization. Factorize completely. We'll have to take the maximum common. We can take 4x common. So this will be x minus 2y, and this will be our answer. 4x into x minus 2y. And then comes line L has the equation, this one. Write down the coordinates of the point where line L crosses the y-axis. On y-axis, x will be 0. So x will be 0, y will be equal to minus 6. When we replace x is equal to 0, we'll get y is equal to minus 6. Write down the gradient of line, and we know that y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx plus c format. M is gradient, which is 4 in this case, so we can write here 4 as answer. Question number 11, complete these calculations to make them correct. So this will be like 24 plus 8. 24 plus 8 will be equal to 32, divided by 4 will be equal to 8. So we can write here 8, just typing in calculator. So minus 8 divided by, for example, this one, minus 18 divided by, because we need plus 2, so divided by a minus number, which is minus 9, will be equal to 2. So we can write here minus 9. And this one we need basically 21. 7 multiplied by 3 will be 21, and 8 multiplied by 5 will be 40. So 3 over 5 will be the answer. In question number 12, the 3 angles in a triangle are 5x, 6x and 7x. Find the value of x. And we know interior angles of a triangle are adding up to 180 degrees. So 7x plus 6x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. So this will be 11 plus 7, 18x will be equal to 180 degrees, and we will divide both sides by 18. So this will be cancelled and this will be 10. So x will be equal to 10 degrees. We can write here 10 degrees. Work out the size of the largest angle of the triangle. 7x is the largest, so 7x will be equal to 10 into 7, which is equal to 7 degrees, 70 degrees. So this will be answer 70 degrees. Matrices, question number 13. GH is equal to 6 and minus 4. Find 5GH. So 5 multiply by GH, which is this one. So this will be 30 over minus 20. This will be our answer. We can copy answer over here. Then HG. We know HG will be equal to minus GH, and minus into GH means 6 minus 4, so which is equal to minus 6 and 4. Our answer will be minus 6 and 4. Then we have to find the value of y in B part. 6 plus 2 will be 8, 7 plus y. So 7 plus y will be equal to 3. This implies y will be equal to 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 4. So y value will be minus 4. Question number 14. These are the weights in kilograms of 10 babies. Find the range. Range will be maximum minus minimum. Maximum value is this one, and minimum value is 2.7, this one. So 4.1 minus 2.7, this will be the range. 4.1 minus 2.7, this will be equal to 1.4. So 1.4 will be the range. Then calculate the mean. For mean value, we have to add them all. So 3.7 plus 2.7 plus 3.5 plus 3.8 plus 3.1 plus 3.0 plus 3.8 plus 2.8 plus 4.1 plus 3.7, and this whole thing will be divided by the number of babies, which is 10, so divided by 10. Now we have to add them all, so we'll have to add carefully so that there should not be any mistake. So fraction 3.7 plus 2.7 plus 3.5 plus 3.8 plus 3.1 plus 3.0 plus 3.8 plus 2.8 plus 4.1 plus 3.1 and divided by 10, and this will be resulting to 3.36. I think so. We have done some mistake, so we'll have to recheck our calculation. If we check from the beginning, we started from here. This is 3.7, then 2.7, 3.5 plus 3.8 plus 3.1, then 3.0 and 3.8 plus 2.8 plus 4.1 plus 3. It's not 1, it's 7. Basically the last number is wrong, so this will be the answer, 3.42. So this was basically 7, I read it as 1, so it will be 3.42 will be the answer. So lengthier calculations we'll have to make carefully. Now question number 15, write down a prime number between 80 and 90. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself only. So 83 we can write, or even 89 is also prime number, so we are writing here 83 because they are asking a prime number. So one number will be sufficient. Find the lowest common multiple LCM of 21 and 30. So 21 and 30 we have to find the LCM. I'll use the division method. So like for example this one, 21 and 30, so we can use 2, so 21 as it is, and 15, then we can use 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, so then 5, so 7 and 5, 1, and then 7, so this will be 1 and 1. After getting 1 and 1, we will be multiplying this. LCM will be equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, and by using calculator 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, and this will be equal to 210. We will write here 210. Now question number 16, 5 raised to power x divided by 25 is equal to this, find the value. So what we can do, we can write it as 5 raised to power x divided by 5 raised to the power 2. So this will be equal to 5 raised to power 6, this one. So what we have done, we have written 25 as 5 raised to power 2, and this side will be 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 6. Bases are same, so this implies x minus 2 is equal to 6, and x is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So we can write x is equal to 8. Now B part is simultaneous equation. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working, and if we check, these two are coefficients of x are same and opposite sign. So same and opposite sign means we can add. So we can write here adding, and we will cancel these, and this will be 8y is equal to 24 plus 16 will be equal to 40. So this will be 40. This implies y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Now this value we can replace any of these two original equations. I'll be replacing in first 2x plus 3 into y, which is 5, is equal to 16. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 16, and this will be 2x is equal to 16 minus 15, which is equal to 1. So this will be 2x will be equal to 1, and x will be equal to 1 by 2. So we can write x is equal to 1 by 2, or even we can write it as 0.5. Both will be correct. This one or this one, both will be correct. Now question number 17, $600 is invested for 3 years at a rate of 2.5%. This is the rate, this is the time duration, and we have to use the compound interest formula, calculate. This is basically time duration, 3 years, right? So at the end of 3 years, what will be the value of investment? So principal amount, we know the formula. So this is 600 is the principal amount into 1 plus r over 100. R will be 2.5. So 2.5 over 100 raised to the power the duration, which is 3. And just we have to use the calculator. So 600 into 1 plus this will be 2.5 and divided by 100, and this will be raised to the power 3, and this will be equal to 646.134375. I have written calculator digits, and rounding this will be $646. Without using your calculator, work out this one. So what we will do, we will just write this and open the brackets. So minus 3 by 4, and minus into minus will be plus 2 over 3, and now we can basically this is 12. So this one is 12, so we can take 12 as LCM. So this will be 11 minus this will be 12 divided by 4 will be 3, 3 into 3 will be 9, plus 12 divided by 3 will be 4, so 4 divided by multiplied by 2 will be 8, and this will be 19 minus 9 will be 10, so 10 by 12, or we can write 5 by 6 as simplified fraction. So answer will be 5 over 6. 4 marks question, it's easy. Now question number 19, a cafe owner records the number of hours of sunshine and the number of ice cream sold for 10 days. These are the 8 entries they have given, and 9 and 10 we have to make basically. This is hours of shine, this is hours of shine, and this is number of ice cream sold on this y-axis. So 10 will be here. We have to plot basically these two points. So 10 and 127, 10 and 100, 120, 130 will be here, but 27 we can take over here. We can put a cross over here. Then comes 5 and 74. 5 will be in the middle, and 60 is here. 70 is here, and 74 we can put a cross over here. So these will be the 2 points which we have indicated. 5 and 74 and 10, and correctly we have indicated. Now we have to draw a line of best fit. To draw a line of best fit, we'll have to check this. First of all, they're asking the type of correlation. Type of correlation is, I'll show you the question. This one, they're asking B part. First part was to complete the scatter point. 8 were plotted, 2 we have done. Now B part, they are asking for what type of correlation. So this is positive correlation, so we can write positive correlation. Then on the scatter diagram we'll have to draw the line of best fit, so we can draw line of best fit like this one will be line of best fit. So you can even check, there are 1, 2, 3 points on above the line, and 1, 2 and 3 points below the line. So it's almost, it's like always scatter diagram is always estimated answer, so don't worry if it is not exact or precise. So they are saying use your line of best fit to estimate the number of ice creams that will be sold tomorrow. So weather forecast was predict 7 hours of sunshine. So 7 hours of sunshine will be, if we check our line of best fit, 7 hours will be over here, and this one we can indicate also like over here, right? So we'll have to roughly draw a dotted line like this one, and it will be over on this side also we have to draw line. So it will be 100, 110 and 15, 100 and 100. You can write 100 or something like that. That will be correct. So I'm writing 100. Even 100, 105, these all values will be correct. I'll correct this question because by mistake what we have done, instead of 7 hours we have taken like 9 hours. So I will erase this line. Instead of 9 hours we have to take 7 hours, so I'll just rectify. So 7 hours will be middle of this one, and this will be over here and over here up to this one. So this will be around 90. So instead of writing answer as 100, our answer modified and corrected answer will be 90. So we can write here 90. Now question number 20. Calculate the length of BC. BC is this one. So this is right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Basically BC square, which is hypotenuse. So BC square will be equal to 6.3 square plus 6.3 square, and taking root on both sides, this will be BC will be equal to, we can write under root of 6.3 square plus 6.3 square. This will be equal to 8.909, 8.909, and the rounded answer will be 8.91 meters. B part, this again right angle triangle is given, but we have to find angle DFE. DFE, this angle we have to find, and opposite, so opposite is given and hypotenuse is given, which is opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So sine of DFE will be equal to 52 over 223. So angle DFE will be equal to sine inverse of 52 over 223, and this one we can use calculator. Sine inverse of 52 over 223, and this will be equal to 13.48. 13.48. So our answer rounded will be 13.5 degrees. This will be our answer. Now question number 21, we have to simplify, and this will be 6w raised to the power 0. This raised to the power 0 is only for w, so we will write 6 into 1. W raised to the power 0 will be 1, so answer will be 6. We can write here 6. And this is 5x cube minus 3x cube will be 2x cube will be the answer. So 2x cube over here. And this will be 5 into 3 will be 15, and y raised to the power 6 minus 2. So this will be equal to 15 y raised to the power 4. So 15 into y raised to the power 4. And we are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, and also recommend this channel to your friends and introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.